Alright guys, on this section we'll be looking into what a website this design is all about. Now there are two ways to actually go about designing a website. It is either you code as a developer or maybe you use this very course that I'm preparing now. So this course is more of for people who don't have coding knowledge to code a website from scratch or any means and but would want to need a website. The truth is we don't need to actually learn coding before we can understand what how to use websites or maybe how to get some simple things done. For instance, you just want a simple page where people can maybe see information about you. Getting a developer to code for you would be very taxful and be very involving. So this is where this course is going to help you. Now let's look into what is coding, what we are saying about this coding. Now imagine something like this. Imagine a situation whereby I want to code something as simple as what I'm going to show you now. This is my code editor. This is where you design codes. This is where you design code. Now I've been working on a project. Let me open my file. You don't need this. I just want to show you something so that you get to appreciate what this course is going to actually show you. So this is what I want to open. I want to open the folder. This is the folder. So imagine you writing all of this. It will look like a jargon. Imagine you have to write all of this for your website to be up. So this is what they go through. This is what developers go through. People that code, the right code. You can see you have to write all of this before you have something on your site. Now let me show you what the appearance of this on our browser so that you see what I mean. Let me show you on my browser so that you see what I mean. So now let's look at the site. This is it. So for you to have designed everything here, you have to code everything step by step. You have to, and this thing you can see there are no interaction on this yet. So I only use CSS, which is cascading styling, and HTML to do this. So I use HTML to do the construction, then I use CSS to do the styling. Now if I introduce Java, it will result to some interactions. If I click on maybe this, like Java can tell this to take the person to another page. That's what it does. So imagine the stress in going into learning how, not even, it's not stressful though, but then if you we all don't need to go into web development. We don't need to learn coding all. So that's why some people decided to come up with a way that you can do it very easy. So developers came up with what we call content management system, which is this WordPress of a thing, and you can use drag and drop some plugin tools and themes to go about designing your site, and we'll be discussing that on this very course. So imagine such imagine such a stressful way to designing a website. It will be very difficult. It will be very difficult. So you must not have to design from scratch. You can design just like Canva now. In Canva, you can get some sample designs and edit. That's what this course is all about, and that's what we'll be discussing, and we'll be doing practicals on how to go about it. Then our next discussion is going to be the different types of WordPress, because this course is centered only on WordPress. We'll understand what WordPress is all about. Then we'll get to see, understand what a website is all about. We are going to be seeing, we're going to be understanding what domain and hosting is all about. Then we'll go practical into designing a website, understanding everything about designing a website. Then we'll design websites on website uh, using this very knowledge that we're grabbing from this course. So that's that about this video.